Hello traders, the title of the video is How do others define short, medium and long-term trends? Recently, I have recorded a video that I titled Elliott Wave Trader gives a clear explanation of the short, medium and long-term trends. That video has been posted at 24digit4 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. It is an essential video for somebody who wants to master the subject of market cycle, short-term, medium and long-term trend. But today I want to share with traders how other traders or other market participants, other technical traders define short-term, medium-term and long-term trends. All right. So we are on a daily chart of GoPro Incorporation. All right, and I draw on my chart a channel here. All right. So for other traders, when they are talking about a trend, is a bullish trend, for instance, they will say is when the price is going up. All right. So those are technical traders who maybe do not know about the Elliott wave theory. So here you can see that the GoPro was in a rising channel, so they will say this is a bullish trend. And Elliott wave trader may disagree and say that it is not a trend, it is a correction or something like that. But for those traders, we don't want to ignore them. We don't want to ignore those market participants because that's the way they see it. A bullish trend, price going up. A bearish trend is when the price is going down. So for those traders, how do they define short, medium, and long-term trend? So you have to understand what we are doing this year is to help traders, to become a better Elliott wave traders. So we talk about it in other video already. We try to go into the mind of other traders so we may understand how they train, how they think, so we do not ignore them, so we can know exactly what they are likely to do. All right. So for ordinary traders, ordinary market participants, a trend, a bullish trend is when the financial instrument is trending up. A bearish trend is when it's trending down. It's nothing wrong with it. So for those traders, how will they define the short-term and the medium-term trend? Okay, for those traders, the medium-term trend, which is they should not ignore, will form the long-term trend. This is true. This is a market stable data, which I talked about before in the previous video that I call Elliott Wave Trader gives a clear explanation of the short, medium, and long-term trend. This is true. So though they are saying that this is a trending phase because the price going down, the market stable data stated that the medium-term trend will form the long-term trend. So for them, if they call this daily chart their long-term trend, the components of that supposed to be trend will be, the medium-term trend. So this is what I'm highlighting here. So for those traders, their medium-term trend are the price actions that I'm highlighting, in that, rising channel. It is method better than what we have discussed before. I would say to traders to stick to what we have talked about before in the first video. All right. So they will say this is the long-term trend, price in the rising channel, price going up. Where are the medium-term trend? Those are the medium-term trend that are forming the long-term trend. So the same rule will apply again. When should you buy? Now, we can buy when the medium-term trend is turning from bearish to bullish. So if the long-term trend is bullish, we will look for an opportunity to buy, look for bullish trending setup at the time when the medium-term trend is turning from bearish to bullish. If we were in a declining channel as we are here, we will sell when the medium-term trend is turning from bearish to from correction. If we are in a declining channel or we are in a downtrend and we want to sell, we will sell when the medium-term trend is turning from bullish to bearish. So you remember what we were talking about before. When is the best time to buy? What are the components of the long-term trend? So for other traders, so here the price is going down. So I'm going to call it now. So it went down. Okay, in the declining channel, it started going down. What are the medium-term trend for those type of traders who do not know? All right, they roll it down again here. Who do not know, all right, anything about the Elliott wave. So those are their medium-term trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Elliott wave traders say, what are you talking about? All right, but for those traders, price going down, we have a bearish trend. Price going up, we have a bullish trend. What are the medium-term trend? The components, okay, that are forming the trend. All right. Now we talk about the long-term trend for those traders. We talk also about the medium-term trend. So you may say, what are the short-term trend? So here, because I'm on the daily chart, all right, this session here is on a daily chart. This medium-term trend is on a daily chart. If you want to know the short-term trend, the Elliott wave trader have a bit of edge. All right. So you need to go to their short-term trend will be their entry time frame. So they will say to you, okay, this is a bullish trend. This is my long-term trend. Those are my medium-term trend. And you say, what are your short-term trend? Is my 10-minute time frame, is my 5-minute time frame. So they will say 5-minute time frame. They may say 10-minute time frame. What they are talking about their entry time frame. The time frame that they are using for their entry will be their short-term trend. This is how other traders define short-term, medium, and long-term trend. So I'm going to give you one more example because you need to understand what's going on in the financial market again. So here again, so they say, all right, this is a bullish trend, George. Can't you see mambo jumbo of Elliott wave? I don't care about your Elliott wave. All right. So they say, okay, George, this is a trending phase. It's going up. All right. This is a bullish trend, George. That's it. Then I ask them, I say, okay, what are your medium-term trend? They say, George, the medium-term trend, as yourself, you know, are the component of the long-term trend. So here they are. Okay? But those are traders that do not use Elliott wave. For an Elliott wave trader, we know that the trending phase is formed of 5 multi-waves that are not overlapping. Though we may disagree with those traders, we cannot ignore them. All right? It's not all traders that are Elliott wave traders. All right? So we want to know what's going through their mind. So now they show you now, they say those are the medium-term trend of that long-term trend because the price is in a bullish channel. So if you ask them about the short-term trend, they will say to you, it's my entry time frame. I always enter my trade, George, on the 3-minute time frame. So they will go to the 3-minute time frame to show you their short-term trend. So they may highlight, so you see this price action here, or they may enter their trade on the 10-minute time frame. So this price action here is also in a rising channel, small rising channel. So they will, from here, they highlight this channel and they switch to their entry time frame and they will say to you, this is my short-term trend. Or they may just tell you that it's 10-minute time frame, it's 50-minute time frame, or something like that. All right? So if you go now, we look at another financial instrument, talking about how do other traders, okay, financial market traders, I'll change the title a bit, other financial market traders, okay, define, okay, short, medium, and long-term trend, okay. I'm looking for another example. Okay, hold on, please. All right. Oh, how should I do this now? Try to zoom into it. They change this thing a bit now. Okay. Now, suppose you were here. I don't want the video to be too long. All right. So you were here. So you say to them, okay, what is the long-term trend? Because they always trade on a daily chart. They will say this is a bearish trend. All right. And this is their long-term trend. And the medium-term trend are the components of the long-term trend. And the short-term trend will be their entry time frame, okay, that they are using for the entry. You say 5 minutes, they will say 10 minutes, they will say hourly time frame, depending on, okay, what type of trader, okay, they are, okay. So those are the medium-term trend that are forming, okay, the long-term trend according to those other financial market traders. All right, so the long-term trend, here it is in red, it's bearish, it's in a declining channel. So for those traders, declining channel equals a bearish trend, rising channel equals, okay, bullish trend. And the components are the medium term trend, and so on. So for somebody who always use the weekly chart as their long-term trend, all right, so they are always on the weekly chart. You ask them, you say, what is your long-term trend? They say weekly chart. Okay, so they go to the weekly chart and they say, this is my long-term trend. Or you say, what is your long-term term trend? They will say, it's monthly chart. Okay, so they go there and they will just say to you, okay, then you can see here, my long-term trend, the long-term trend is going down. So you may say, what are your medium-term trend? They say, yeah, can't you see, George? Are you blind or what? Okay, here it is. Price went up. In that channel, those are the medium-term trend. They are not wrong because the medium-term trend will form the long-term trend. However, the way they are defining their trend is a little bit funny to us as area wave traders because we know a little bit better. We know the structure of okay, a trending phase. But those traders are doing their own thing, it's their own money, and they can define it as they like. But there is a bit of agreement between us is that the long-term trend is formed of the medium-term trend, and the short-term trend, okay, form, okay, the medium-term trend. That does not change because it is a market, a stable data. Now, when it comes to a cycle, you will see a big difference again in this case, that market participant, other financial market participant may tell you that a cycle is when something goes up and return to the starting point. And they may say to you, this stock has a 5-year cycle, this stock has a 10-year cycle, it still got more to go before a new cycle will begin. I've been trading this financial instrument for a year and I know it very well. It always starts a new trend after 5 years or after 7 years, and so on and so on. So this is how other traders define their short-term, medium, and long-term trend. So for somebody else, you ask to that person, what is your long-term trend? They may say to you, George, is the monthly chart. Okay? And then they will start drawing channels on that time frame. So they say, George, is the monthly chart. Okay? The long term. So you see all the time people having disagreements. What is the long-term trend? They say it's not the daily chart. Somebody may say it's the weekly chart. Another person may say it's the yearly chart. And somebody say no, it's 10-year cycle. It's 4-year cycle because of the United States election. But we know better. We know better already, and we talk about it already. All right. That short-term, medium, and long-term trend are relative to each market participant. So you don't get into that argument at all with anybody when it comes to cycle, when it comes to short-term, medium, and long-term trend. You will not win that fight. So if you are in any forums and they open a discussion about this and people fighting like a dog, all right, don't get involved, okay? go away. All right, don't get involved because it's relative to each market participant. But we know that the cycle itself, okay, is correlated to the financial instrument that one is trading. All right, that a stock may have 5-year cycle, another stock may have 7-year cycle, another stock may have 10-year cycle, and so on and so on. So in the first video, that is quite very important video about area wave trader, gives a clear explanation of the short, medium, and long-term trend. I explain everything clearly there. What I'm doing now is to talk about what's going on, okay, in the real financial market. All right. So on a monthly chart, that person may say, this is the long-term trend. George, if you are trading, all right, this is the long-term trend. I swear to you, George, this is the long-term trend. You say, you shouldn't swear. Say, oh, yes, I'm telling you, this is the long-term trend. Okay. So then you say, okay, then what is your medium-term trend? All right. And they say to you, can't you see? Okay, price goes down. Those are the medium-term trend. But you say you are on the same time frame, you are still on the monthly chart, and you are saying this is the medium-term trend on the same time frame. You say yes. All right, but then you know better because you, as an Elliott trader, you understand what this person is saying is not wrong. The medium-term trend is forming the long-term trend for him, according to him. His long-term trend is the monthly chart. What you need to explain to that person, say, yeah, you see the price move down here. All right, if you put it in a channel, all right, and you go to the daily chart, you see that on the daily chart is in a declining channel. All right, so the daily chart is forming the monthly chart. And then you go on and explain more to that person. And you may also explain the structure of the price. Say that 1, 2, 3, this move 1, 2, 3 is not a trend, my friend. It's a correction. There was a trend before what you are looking at. But for that person, it's okay. All right. Price in a declining channel, bearish trend. Price in a rising channel, bullish trend. Components of the long-term trend are the medium-term trend. And now the short-term here, again, that person will go to his entry time frame. So if he's a swing trader, I say, I always enter my trade on a 50-minute time frame. I can't enter my trade on a 50-minute time frame. I'm a professional trader. I always enter my trade on a 30-minute time frame. So for that person, the short-term trend that are forming the medium-term trend here will be on his entry time frame or something else. All right. So I want you to know it so you are aware of it now and know how other traders are defining the short-term, medium, and long-term trend. All right. Let me know how you found this video because, as I promised, I will be recording more tutorial relating to market cycle, short-term, medium, and long-term trend. But for Elliott wave traders, everything that we have discussed in the previous video are very important. A trend derived from a cycle, short-term, medium, and long-term trend are relative to each market participant. Short-term trends form medium-term trend form long-term trend. Long-term trend are the biggest component of a cycle, and a cycle is also relative to each financial instrument. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, well, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Though we are Elliott wave traders, we don't want to forget what other financial market traders, are doing, how they define, especially, the short-term, medium, and long-term trend. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how do other financial market traders define short, medium, and long-term trend. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you give us the thumbs down so we know that this is another blah 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 from my side. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.